Hey, this weekend's Father's Day, so I'm going to ask you some questions about Dada, okay?
Listen.
How old is Dada?
14. 14.
Pretty close.
No, 20.
What is Dada's favorite thing to do?
Eat bread. Yeah. Cinnamon bread.
Oh.
Tonight.
What is your favorite thing to do with Dada?
I like to look in mirrors to see what my ponytails look like. No, good.
What's Dada's favorite food?
Spicy face.
He does like spicy things. Who's Dada's favorite princess?
No, Belle.
Belle?
No.
Whoa.
No. Dolphin.
Oh. What's Dada's favorite color?
Red.
Red? What is Dada's favorite thing to wear?
Purple.
Oh, what's his favorite thing to wear?
Purple. No, that's not a costume. He likes to wear a costume.
Really? What's his favorite thing to drink?
Diet Popsy.
Diet Pops?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diet Popsy.
What's his favorite movie?
George. No, George.
Curious George is his favorite movie?
Uh-huh.
What is Dada's favorite book?
The planets.
The what?
Planets.
Oh. Who's Dada's favorite My Little Pony?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie. Oh. Does Dada cook for you? What does he cook for you?
Bread.
Bread?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Say love you.
Love you.
Is there anything else you want to say to Dada? What do you want to say?
Happy birthday to Dada.
Close enough.